Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see archived stories on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the option Create Story at the top left corner of the screen. You can just simply hold for a second to create story, and here you can now see the option story archive. Tap on it, and here you will find your all archived stories on Facebook. And if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.